Thank you for calling in support.
Hello?
Can you see that? www.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, I have a problem with my computer right now. It's acting really strange, and I have this message to call this number.
Generally, sir, what happens whenever we are having technology outside, whether it's morning phone,
Okay. So what do you want then?
Can you see if there's a way to fix it?
What do you want?
I just want to see if there's a way to fix my computer, because it's like blocking my screen and I can't do anything.
So why did you call me?
I have your number. It says you're certified Windows technicians for assistance.
How did you get the number?
It's on the message.
What is the message?
It says that your computer's been blocked, there's virus and spyware, and it's stealing your Facebook.
So what do you want then?
Well, first of all, I want you to stop scamming people. Terry Maki chut mara chod to scammer here, you benchod.
तेरी माँ की झूठ बोल ठीक है?
Yeah, Terry Ben ki chut.
कुत्ते के बच्चे?
Terry Maki chut.
मदर चोद कुत्ते के बच्चे?
Terry Maki
हराम की
chut mara
पिल्ले?
chod.
मदर चोद
Yeah,
अपनी माँ की
benchod.
झूठ में घुस जा पहन के लड़.
Yeah, Terry Maki chut mara
Get
chod.
inside your mother's hole. Get inside your mother's asshole.
Okay, mara chod.
You know, you're an asshole.
Okay, how
Ask
about you
your
stop
mother. I'm coming to
scamming?
fuck your mother.
Okay, stop
I'm
scamming.
coming to fuck your mother.
Okay, I'm only gonna
Ask
let you
her
in
to
my
get
house
ready.
if you stop scamming
Ask
people.
her to get ready. Ask her to get ready. I'm coming to fuck your mother. And ask your sister as well. I'll fuck your mother and sister. Brutally and badly.
Okay, mara
Just
chod, you can stop scamming
ask
people.
them to get prepared. Where's your sister? Okay, I'm going to fuck your mother, your sister. How many do you have?
I'm gonna ask you a question.
I'll fuck your mother.
Do you
I'll
think I
fuck your
have a
mother. I'll
sister?
fuck your sister. One by one.
Okay, let's call him back. 888. Hopefully they didn't block me.
Thank you for calling support team. My name is Alex. How can I help you for the day?
Hi, yes, amigo. I was just getting off the phone with a technician. He was saying something about how my computer had a problem and he would fix it, but the problem is like the line disconnected.
And may I know who am I speaking with? What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Benjamin.
Benjamin. And Benjamin, may I know that with whom you were speaking? What was the name of the technician?
He didn't tell me his name. We were talking something about how I had a message on my computer.
Mm-hmm.
And then he's. Yeah, go ahead.
What message? What message do you see on the screen?
It says Windows has detected a. Let me see. It's blocked by something else, but it says Windows has detected as something on your system. Do not restart your computer. Contact our Windows technicians.
Has been how long you have been getting this notification?
Maybe 5 minutes.
And what exactly you were doing, sir, when this notification came?
Yeah, I was just trying to go to my Amazon.
Okay. Sir, may I know which Windows operating system are you using? It's Windows 7, 8, or 10 you have?
I'm not exactly sure. I know it's Windows, but I don't know.
But you don't know that, right?
Yeah.
And what is the make of the machine?
It's Dell.
Is it Dell? Is it HP?
It's a Dell.
Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna give you some simple instructions so that I can go ahead and I can get logged on onto your computer. So are you okay with that, sir?
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Alright, sir. For that, I'm gonna take the remote access of your machine. Okay?
Okay.
All right. And sir, one more thing I would like to ask you that do you have any protection on the computer, if you know by any chance?
Protection, I'm not exactly sure. I know one of my friends set up the computer for me, so I don't know.
It's not your computer?
No, it's my computer, just my friend set up the computer for me.
I mean, is he a technician?
He works as a technician for the FBI, so I mean, like, I'm pretty sure he's good.
He works for FBI?
Yeah.
But FBI does not have any kind of technical team. I don't think so. They have any technical team.
They
My
do.
uncle, he's also my uncle is also working with the FBI.
Yeah.
But I mean, I don't think so. They have any technical team.
Well, I mean,
I haven't heard about that.
that's what my friend told me. He works to do computers for the FBI, so I mean, like I would trust him.
Probably, but you do not have to trust on him because FBI do not have any kind of technical support team.
Oh, well, I didn't
don't
know
think
that.
so. They have
Okay.
because they hire. Right. So that's okay, sir. So
Okay.
in that case, sir, see what I can do for is that I can go and I can take the remote access of your computer, right? To
Okay.
figure out the root of the issue, and
Okay.
from there we should be able to find some kind of solution for you. Okay.
Okay.
And if the security will be needed, I'll let you know about some securities. Okay.
Okay.
And whatever the charges will be there, I'll let you know about the charges as well. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. So. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. So what do I need to do?
How old this machine is?
It's
How
about
old this machine is?
yeah, it's about 3 or 4 years old.
All right. And can you please provide me the product number of this computer?
What do you mean by product number?
Product number you can see on the back of the machine.
Like on the very bottom?
Yes, sir, on the back of the machine. And I believe you are the one who use the computer most of the time, right?
Yeah, I'm the only user.
All right. And which email address has been set up in this computer through you? You have set up a Gmail, Yahoo. Which one do you have?
It's an Outlook.
Outlook. I mean, which email you have? Outlook is just a email provider. I mean, where you can merge your emails. But I'm asking you, which email do you use? You use Gmail, Yahoo. Which one do you use?
Like, my email, like, I'm not sure. My email ends with outlook.com.
Outlook.com.
Yeah.
Can you please can you please provide me your email address? What is your
Yes.
email address?
Yes, BENJAMIN
Mm-hmm.
LAUDE 719
Mm-hmm.
at outlook.com.
Mm-hmm. All right, sir. And may I have the password?
The password. Why would you need to know the password?
Sir, I have to diagnose the entire IP address of the computer. So whatever the accounts which are connected and encrypted with this computer, we have to check them all.
Okay. The password is LETMEIN
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Hold on. 6598
Mm-hmm.
exclamation point, and that's it.
But that's not the correct password, sir. It's incorrect.
Well, I mean, that's the password I'm using.
But I can see here, sir, it's incorrect password.
Well, let me try logging into it, and let me just tell you the password as I log in. Okay, so it's some. Give me a few seconds. Let me get to it. Hello? Are you still here? They hung up. Hello?
Thank you for calling support. How may I help you today?
Yeah, hello, Benchod. You were just cursing me out on the phone. How do you can you explain it, please?
So this is a professional call, okay, and this call is recorded for training and quality purposes, and it's recorded to the FBI as well.
Okay.
If you misbehave, okay, yeah, this is a professional call.
Okay. Well, I'm just
So you tell me what exactly the problem.
well, the problem is one of your technicians cursed me out. I was just wondering why.
What happened, sir?
I was just calling. He asked for my email password. I told him my email password. Then after he cursed me out. Yeah. Hello.
So you're getting some kind of yes.
Yeah. Like I called this number.
So you're getting some kind of problem with your computer, right?
Yeah, I had a problem with the computer, but the technician that I was talking with cursed me out. So I was just wondering why.
Can you just tell me the technician name?
I do not know the name. He didn't tell me his name.
Okay, so if you want my help, I will be telling you some troubleshooting steps which you have to follow, okay?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Can you go and help me?
Can you just... Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Which computer you're using, sir? It's a laptop or the desktop?
It's a laptop.
It's a laptop. And what
Yeah.
is the make of your laptop?
It's a Dell.
Okay. And can you just tell me the operating system? Like is it Windows 10, Windows 8, or Windows 7? Or it's a Mac?
I don't know. It's not a Mac. It's a Windows, but I'm not sure like which one it is.
Okay. And I believe that you're the authorized user of this computer, right?
Yeah. I'm the owner.
Okay, so can you just look down at your keyboard, okay?
Okay.
Just have a look down at your keyboard. In the extreme left hand side, lower bottom corner, there will be a control key, CTRL key. Do you see that?
Okay. Yeah.
And just next to that control key, there will be a Windows, like a 4 flag. Do you see that?
Okay. A 4
Just
flag
beside
key.
the function key. Yes.
Okay.
Do you see that?
Yeah, I see that.
You have to press and hold that 4 flag key,
Okay.
and while pressing that Windows key at the same time, you have to press the letter R as in Robert, at the same time.
Okay, R is in Robert at the same time. So I see a box at the bottom left. It says run. Type the name of a program, folder, document, or internet resource.
Okay, so have you typed something over there in that open box, or is just a blank over there?
Yeah, it's just a blank box.
So you just need to type in there, like I explore. It's a one word, IEXPLORE.
Okay, so IEXPLORE.
Yes.
Okay.
Then give a space. Like a
Okay,
blank space.
Okay.
And type in there www dot.
Okay, www dot.
Then type help me, like HELPME. Help me.
Okay, HELPME.
It's help me, HELPME.
Yeah, that's what I have. HELPME.
Then put a dot, then type net, NET, help me dot net.
Okay, I have www.helpme.net.
Yes.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
NET, like Nancy Echo Tom. Just click on OK.
Okay. Alright, so I've clicked on OK.
Yes.
Alright, hold on, it's just being a little slow. Alright, so now I see it says, it says establish support connection. Type your name and the support key received from your technician and click continue.
Yes. So please type your name, your first name, and I will be giving you the support key, okay?
Okay. Let's see. Alright, hold on. It's just being really slow. Alright, yeah, I've typed in my name.
So have you typed your name?
Yeah, I have.
And the support key is 823
823
208
208
716.
716.
So can you just repeat the code once again for me? Just confirm me the support key.
Yeah, it's 823 208 716.
Yes, just click on continue.
Okay. Okay, so now I see at the bottom of my screen is asking me to click run. Do I click run?
You say it says, do you want to run, save, or cancel? Do you?
Yeah,
You
it's
have to
asking me
click
to.
on run.
Okay. Alright, I've clicked on run. Alright, now it's just saying connecting to go to assist.
Okay, just wait. It will connect. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so
And
now I
by
see.
the way, for what purpose do you use this computer? Sorry.
Yeah, it's asking me, do I want to allow this app to make changes to my device?
Yes.
Yes.
Click on yes. Yes.
Okay, so it just says connecting at the bottom.
Yes, just wait.
Okay. Okay,
And after that you will get a positive response. Yeah, you just need to approve the session. Just click on yes.
alright, yeah, I've clicked on yes.
Okay. And thank you so much. I guess we are successfully connected, safe and secure server of Microsoft.
Okay.
My name is Michael Young, and am I talking to Benjamin? Is it you?
Yeah, that's me.
And can you just do one thing? Please do not touch your computer. You have to leave this computer as it is. Okay, let me just go ahead and diagnose what exactly is wrong with your computer, okay?
Okay.
And can you just tell me, Benjamin, that what exactly you were trying to do when you got this message in your computer or this kind of problem in your computer?
Yeah, I was just trying to go to my Amazon.
So have you tried to click certain links or any kind of advertisement pop-up, something like that?
Not really. Like, I just tried to go to Amazon and then this showed up.
Just give me a second, sir.
Okay.
And this is the very first time you have got this notification from the Windows, or does it happen earlier as well, sir?
This is my first time I've seen it.
And apart from you, Benjamin, does anyone else use this computer?
No, it's
Like
just
it's
me.
your personal computer or...
It's just me.
Okay. And which browser, by the way, you were login when you got this message? So it was an Explorer, Firefox, or Google Chrome?
Yeah, I was using Firefox.
Okay, just wait. Just give me a second, okay? Benjamin, this is your personal computer, right?
Yeah.
And I guess, Benjamin, that your computer is very good computer. I guess it's Windows 10 which are using, and it's 2017 Microsoft Corporation, and the
Okay.
processor is Intel Arc Core TM 4.00 gigabytes, and the
Okay.
system type is 64-bit operating system, which is a very good computer you have, Benjamin.
Okay.
Let me just go ahead and just check the security and the maintenance part of this computer.
Okay.
I guess it says virus protection, and it says multiple antivirus apps are turned on. And these multiple antivirus can stop your services of the computer. I guess it says that note that running more than one antivirus app at the same time can cause your device to run slowly. Can you see that?
Okay. So it's basically saying that like there's more than one antivirus that's running on my computer.
Yes. Yes. Which is not good for your computer system, sir, because running more than one antivirus, because it conflict with each other, okay?
Okay.
Whenever there are two types of software doing same work, like it is the
That's actually
antivirus
correct.
protection, something like that, and both are doing the same work, right? So it can conflict with each other, sir.
Okay.
So at that point of time, your computer can run slow. At that point of time, the services might stop working. So it can be, it can harm your computer, sir, because it conflict with each other. Okay. And
Okay.
by the way, how old this computer is, sir?
It's about 3 to 4 years old, I believe.
And within this 3 to 4 years, have you serviced your computer by any local technician or any kind of person like your friends or something like that?
Yeah,
Did
like
you
my
service
friend.
your computer?
Yeah, my friend worked on my computer. Like I try to get him to work on it every year, like every summer.
Okay. And I guess, Benjamin, you can see that there are lots of files and applications that is running on your computer. Can you check on your screen?
Okay, so
Do
is
you
this,
notice that?
yeah, is this like, are these like viruses or something?
Exactly. These are not the files that has to be there, okay? These are actually the infections that has been automatically downloaded
Okay.
that can harm your
So now they're
computer
wrong.
operating system, your driver, the services, because you can check that these are running in the backend part of your computer. Can you see that? It
Okay.
says background task.hos, which means that it is running in the backend part of your computer, and it is also taking the spaces of your computer RAM. Can you see that?
Yeah, okay.
It's nothing else. It's the bad threats that can harm your computer system. Okay, so we have to delete and remove these unwanted files that has been automatically downloaded.
Okay.
So let me just go ahead and just check what exactly it is that is running in the background. Okay,
Okay.
just give me a second, sir. And do you know what exactly it is, sir?
Like I don't know anything. Like I don't recognize any of the files. They're not mine. Oh, what's this?
Okay, and do you recognize these languages?
No, I don't. What is this?
Can you see that? These are the harmful viruses. These are the bad threads that are running in the background of your computer that can harm your operating system further, that can slow your computer, that can also stop your drivers to run, respond, and even the Microsoft services. So let me just go ahead and just check the Microsoft services is running or not, okay?
Okay.
Which is has to be run all the time, because these kind of bad threads which are running on the background of your computer can stop the services of your computer as well.
Okay.
And I guess you're using the Windows 10 computer, and you can check, Benjamin, the services of your computer. I guess some of them are running, but at the same time it has been stopped. Can you see that?
Yeah,
It
okay.
says that your network connectivity assistant has been stopped, which means that your network is not safe and secure. Can you see that?
Okay, yeah.
It says network connectivity assistant has been stopped. These are the important services that has been given to you that has been provided to you by Microsoft at the time when you purchased this computer from the Windows Store.
Okay.
Okay, and I guess it says pure networking identity manager. The services have been stopped. So
Yeah,
that
okay.
means, Benjamin, that your network is not safe and secure.
Okay.
The network protection agent has been stopped. So we have to run all these application that has been stopped, okay?
Okay.
And we cannot do it manually, sir, because these has been, this cannot be done manually. So we have to use some kind of tools and software to run your applications once again, because it has been compromised.
Okay.
So let me just go ahead and just check the error level. I mean to say the level of error on the backend part of your computer, okay?
Okay.
Just give me a second. And meanwhile, let me just go ahead and just run a quick Microsoft scan, and it will just give us some kind of brief result, okay?
Okay.
And I guess you can check over here. It says Microsoft Windows version. It says 2017 Microsoft Corporation. I guess it's the Benjamin. It's your name, right? Benjamin?
Yeah.
Uh, and what's the last name, sir?
Last name, like my last name?
Yes.
Yes, Laude, Laude.
Okay. And by the way, Benjamin, for what purpose basically you use computers? So like this is a personal computer, I believe so.
Yeah.
Like for what, what activity you do in this computer online? If you go online, what other things to do apart from your emails and Facebook?
Yes, like I use it for, like, sometimes I use it for work. So, like, I kind of need, like, a working computer. I use it for, like, online shopping sometimes. Yeah, like, I use it for pretty much everything.
Okay. And let the scan, okay, I guess the Microsoft scan is running on your computer. Okay, let me just go ahead and just check the error level of your computer, sir, okay?
Okay.
So just give me a moment, sir. And I guess you can check in your screen, Benjamin, like almost we can note it down, that 524 errors and warnings. Can you see that?
Yeah, I see that.
And these errors and warnings has been there in your computer system, not from today. I guess it's from last few months in your computer system, sir.
Okay.
And I guess Windows has alerted you before as well,
Like, no,
and you get the warnings as well. But
I've never seen any of them.
because it updates automatically, okay, it has its inbuilt securities. Every Windows computer is designed in such a way that whenever your computer gets any kind of infections like trojans or suspicious files, automatically your computer will be blocked by itself
Okay.
because it has its inbuilt securities, okay?
Okay.
And that's the reason you get this notification today to call us, so that you can immediately fix your problem immediately, so that you can secure your computer, your emails, your IDs and the passwords.
Okay.
And these, I guess today was the day when your computer has, I'm going to say, crossed the limit to bear this kind of damages. I guess every computer, every system has the limit to bear the damages. Okay, so I guess today was the day when the computer has crossed that limit. I guess you can check that. It says almost 524 errors and warnings. You can check the data as well.
Okay.
It's from today. It's from yesterday. I guess it's from last few months in your computer screen.
Okay.
And these errors and warnings is very, very harmful for your computer system. It can damage your files, the services, your operating system as well.
Okay.
We have to delete this immediately, sir. Okay, I guess you can check that there are no option to delete.
Okay.
So we can use some kind of software. Okay, we have to install and we have to update some kind of securities and software, some tools to remove all these errors and warnings from your computer system. I guess the scanning has been completed, and the scanning states that network has been compromised. Oh my gosh, can you see that?
Yeah, okay.
It says network compromise. It says Trojan found, no firewall. It says foreign connection found.
Okay.
So these are the basic reasons, sir. These are the important reasons why you are facing this kind of problem, sir.
Okay.
And this is the root cause of your problem.
Okay.
That why these errors has been generated and why your services has been stopped, because the network has been compromised.
Okay.
And once your network has been compromised, it will allow other foreign incoming connection to get established in your network.
Okay.
And this foreign connection can easily catch up your identity, like your emails, your passwords, as well as your banking information, whatever you have in this computer, as well as your emails. Okay.
Okay.
So we have to remove and block all these foreign connection that has been established in your network, sir.
Okay.
Okay. And we cannot do it manually, so we have to use some tools and software, and we have to install that in your network to secure your network, as well as to remove all these people. And I guess you can check over your badge when it says active connection. Active connection means that your internet service provider is giving you the best internet connection. And just below that, you can see the local address. Can you see that?
Yeah. So, like, local address.
And this local address is, this local address is your IP address, sir, that has been given to you by your state government according to your physical location.
Okay.
Like you have the social, like you have the social security number, which is secured. In a similar way, you have the IP address of your devices.
Okay.
That has been given to you. That will given to you by your state government according to your location.
Okay.
So you have the IP address. So this is the IP address of this device, of this laptop, of this computer.
Okay.
And I guess this IP address has been compromised, because you can check that there are lots of foreign address. Can you see that?
Yeah. So
That has been established in your network and your IP address.
okay.
Can you see that?
Yeah. So is that like, are those like foreign people in my computer?
Yes, yes. That means, to be honest with you, Benjamin, there are some hackers who is trying to get connected with your IP address, while some of them has been successfully established in your IP address and your network. So we have to remove and block these foreign IP address immediately, otherwise they can okay, fetch up your emails. They can compromise your identity, as well as they can use your identity
Okay.
for any kind of bad activities in
Okay.
future. And okay, if they misuse your identity, you will be responsible for that, because they are using your identity, sir. Okay,
Okay.
so we have to stop and block all these people immediately.
Okay.
And you told me that you do some kind of online shopping and banking, correct?
Yeah.
So let me just go ahead and install some kind of tools just to check your identity is protected or not, okay?
Okay.
Management that your computer is running slow, like it's not running usually, like it working slow something.
Yeah, sometimes I've noticed it's really slow.
Okay. So you can check that it says it's saying to download. You can see that it's
Yeah.
circling or it's loading, something like that. And please don't mind my silence, okay, sir? I'm just checking and running the software and the
You know,
tools to check your identity is protected or not.
okay. Hey, you know, I might actually know why it's not working. Actually, no, it's working. Never
So you
mind.
tell me, yeah.
Yeah, it's working, sorry.
Ma'am, see, due to these 5 days, ma'am, the files on this computer are corrected, ma'am. See that? You cannot see any more the corrected files on the computer, right? We'll install the Microsoft recovery tool to get back your files, okay? That is the reason that services are restored. I will tell you.
So let me just go ahead and just check the basics. I'm going to say the drivers part of the computer system as well, which is the software part. Okay.
Okay.
And just give me a moment, sir. It's loading.
The fundamental services that are responsible for, yes, for each computer now. And it will stop due to these hacking activities happening for the last 15 days. Okay?
And I guess you can check over here, sir, that there are lots of Windows error. Can you see that?
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah. And it is increasing day-to-day time to time. I guess you can check that there are lots of errors as well. As just go ahead and check the drivers as well in this computer, and the system is running or not, because of these errors and warnings, because your network services has been stopped, the services of Microsoft that has been given to you at the time when you purchase this computer is not currently active in your computer system.
Okay.
So it might be possible that it can be compromised driver as well. I guess you can see over here it says kernel Windows driver that has been stopped. Can you see that?
Okay.
And these are the important drivers that needs to be run all the time, but unfortunately a drivers is not running. That means, and let me tell you, sir, driver is very important part of your computer system, sir, because the driver communicates with your hardware and software devices,
Okay.
like your mouse, your keyboard, your monitor. It will communicate your hardware as well as the software part of your computer system.
Okay.
And I guess right now your driver is not responding. That means you may face this kind of problems again and again. And your computer and your keyboard, your mouse, and your, I'm going to say, might be stop working. Okay.
Okay.
So we have to fix it immediately as soon as possible. I guess it's not. And I guess you can check that to install a file, it's taking a very long time. That means your computer has been corrupted.
Okay.
Some bad threads are there, some junk files are there, and some kind of harmful trojans is there.
Okay.
So we have to fix it immediately, as well as there are some people in your network that is connected. So we have to remove and block all those people. And it would take almost 45 to 60 minutes to fix your computer.
Okay. Okay.
Because technician will be working online, and apart from me, 2 technicians will be working, sir. One is
Okay.
your anti-hacking teams, which is the network experts, as well as the Windows technician. Okay.
Okay.
And yeah, as well as the
Yeah. Hello.
me, like the anti-hacking teams, as well as the network experts, as well as the Windows technician will be working right now. And the working time is almost, you can take 45 to 60 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
And you can go with the one-time fixation as well as with the 1-year support.
Okay.
With the technician, sir.
Okay.
So if you go with the one-time fixation, it will cost you something around $149.99. And if you go with the 1-year complete support with the fixation, each and everything, it will cost you $199.99.
Okay. I think.
Okay.
Yeah. I
To
think.
work, I'm gonna say, yeah.
Yeah. I think I'm just gonna go for the support. It's only $50 more, and I get 1 year.
Okay, for the 1-year support, right?
Yeah.
And in this 1 year support, you will get the, I mean to say the 1 year total unlimited support, okay?
Okay.
And it will cover up your all devices,
Okay.
no matter how many devices you have. And so can you just let me know, sir, that how you'll make the payment, sir? Like you want to use your card or check, the mode of payment.
I'll just use my credit card, my Visa.
Okay. So first of all, I just need your basic information. You can just type your name, your email, as well as your the phone number. I guess the technician will just want your phone number to get registered, as well as you can just type your address.
Okay.
And all the information should be correct, okay?
Okay.
Because we have to activate the license key as well as the customer ID for you,
Okay.
so that I can transfer the session to the experts online. Please go ahead and just type the information, sir, by
Okay.
yourself. And make sure you type your complete billing address that includes your city, state, and zip code.
Okay. Okay, yeah. I finished.
Okay. And you can just type these informations, okay? Just give me one moment. And you want to use a card as correct?
Yeah.
It's your card, right?
Yes, mine.
So please go ahead and just type the information. I guess you have the card handy with you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see.
And please do not speak, okay?
Okay.
Because this call is recorded, and I guess please do not speak. Just need to type by yourself. So do you have any middle or initial name
No, I don't.
on the card? And by the way, sir, how you pronounce your last name?
Yeah, it's just Lotte.
Laude, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Just give me a second, okay? Let me just go ahead and register you for the services,
Okay.
so that I will be transfer your call to them as well as your session to them, okay? Just give me a moment. It will take quite some time. And please do not mind my silence, okay?
Okay.
Just give me a moment, sir. So let me just open the payment form for you. You just need to fill that form by yourself, okay?
Okay.
License key now, like your security serial number, always keep it with you, okay? When you will purchase a new computer in future, that will have to be launched, okay? Before I generate a license key now, that you can get it from online, so just tell me you want to do for 3 years, 5 years lifetime. If you want to security firewall, then for 3 years, 5 years, or lifetime, which one? For me, I will take it online Microsoft store, okay? Online Microsoft.
So just give me a moment, okay?
Okay.
Now I have to bring it back, okay? This is the best one because that's transferable as well. Because that fixes the machine now, okay? If anytime it gets damaged in future or it becomes old now, you have to purchase a new computer now. It will get transferred to that.
So you can just fill this information by yourself, sir. Please do not speak, okay?
Okay.
You just need to type by yourself once again.
One second. This is the license key that I'm giving you, okay? Yes.
Okay. And then, what product do I choose?
No, just wait. Just give me a moment.
Okay.
No, I'm taking you to online Microsoft. Make sure you do not use any debit card or credit card or pay for 20 bucks because they won't have that. Because that's cards are only the most anybody can
So we can just put information, sir, once again.
Okay.
The card number.
Okay.
And make sure that all information should be correct, okay, sir? Just give me a moment once again. And can you just recheck the information once again, sir, okay?
Yeah. Yeah. The information looks correct. I was checking it.
And can you tell me, sir, that which bank you have? I mean, you see this account, like
Yeah, it's
in
Bank.
which bank?
Yes, Bank of America.
What is the name of the bank? Okay. So you can just click on this, the green over here, this order here, okay? Just click on that.
Okay.
Can you see over here?
Yeah, I've clicked on that.
Okay, it says payment not received. I guess there are some kind of, okay. The what I can do right now is that, sir, just give me a moment. Let me go ahead and connect your call to one of my billing experts, and he will make
Yeah.
you register for the services. Okay?
Yeah, because I just wanna, like, my bank told me that, actually I just forgot. My bank told me that there was this program that needed to be running on your computer to do the payment. It's this right here. It's this program right here.
Make sure you check your check. Your choice, okay? But it says coming
What is this?
No, it's like a Bank of America payment gateway right here.
Has your name here, ma'am? Right, you need to type your name, the page appears on your check. Check your check, okay? Directly talking to me, the big directive. That is for a complete document. Ma'am, we need all the legal documents, okay? We should have the bank to your bank, and we should try to check
Are you there?
Yeah, hello?
So what exactly you can see in your screen, sir?
I just see... Wait. I see that text document you were typing on.
Please do not touch your computer, okay? Please do not touch your mouse. Just give me a moment, sir.
Okay.
Nancy, whatever you were typing, I can see anything. Okay? The other side might edit. While you were saying that 1% can say anytime whoever is typing. Whatever you're typing, only you can see. You can click it. I will don't see what the name you're typing. That's the you can see it. Leave the mouse. Leave the mouse. The mouse. Let me show you the department, okay?
Are you there?
Yeah, hello?
Yeah. Just leave your computer as it is, okay?
Okay.
Just give me a moment. So just give me a moment. So let me just go ahead and connect your call to my billing department, okay?
Okay.
Just give me a moment, sir.
Hi, Benjamin. Thanks for staying connected. This is Robert, one of the billing manager. How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How about you?
Great. we're also fine. And the reason why the call was transferred now over to the billing department, I see the payment that the previous technician was trying to process on this computer did not go through, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, and I'm sure the technician has provided you with the customer ID, right?
No, he
You have the
hasn't.
customer ID with you.
He hasn't.
So I got the so I have the customer ID for you. This is the customer ID on which we're trying to get you registered. For some reason that did not go through, but that's the reason we got it transferred here now. I'll take care of that.
Okay.
So I'm just going to increase the font for you, and you can just make a note of that before we can proceed. So that's the customer ID. You can look at that on the screen. And I'm going to put down the toll-free number here, and this is completely different from the one you have called in today.
Okay.
Right? So you should always call this number rather than the other one you called in today.
Okay.
Perfect. Now, you see that you have used your Visa card for this payment, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And you still have the card handy with you?
Yeah.
Okay. You need to flip the card, all right? And at the back of the card, you got a toll-free number or the customer service number to contact the bank.
Okay.
Could you please read out those numbers for me?
Let's see. Hold on.
So what are those numbers?
Wait, hold on. Let me get the card real quick. Okay. Yeah. The number's 1-800. Yeah. 432.
All right.
1000.
Perfect. And what's the name of the bank?
Bank of America.
All right. All right. So what I'll do for you is here, Benjamin, I'm just going to put you through the bank. All right. Sometimes the payment don't go through. It's just because of the existing foreign or the the unauthorized access that we have on the network.
Okay.
So that's the result or the scan report here.
Yeah. Okay.
So the banker, whenever they receive the request, they find some other IP there. That's the reason it don't go through. So what I'll do for you is I'm just going to call, just connect you to the bank. You just need to tell them that you are trying to make an online purchase for $199.99, which somehow did not go through, and you need to tell them to authorize it. That's it. All right. So it will just take 2 or 3 minutes. Once you validate your account, you can just ask them to release the payment or to get it authorized. So that's the name of the merchant. You see there?
Okay. Hold on.
Com Support Global.
Okay. Hold on. Can I?
I just tell them you're trying to make a payment on Com Support Global.
Okay. Yeah. Can I show you? Yeah. Can I? There's just one thing. My bank told me that that there's something wrong with my account for whatever reason. So they gave me a program that needs to be running on your computer to authorize the payment. Yeah, it's on my desktop.
All right. So.
It's on.
Okay. So can you please show that to me?
Yeah, it's right here.
All right. Just one moment. Let me quickly have a look at that, Benjamin. Just give me one moment.
Okay. Yeah, hello?
Yes, Benjamin, I'm just trying to work on it and somehow, it's frozen up here. Just bear with me.
Wait, what? Okay. Yeah, it's that. It just needs to be running on your computer. It doesn't work when it's running on mine.
So, when did you contact the bank, or when did you call them up?
Yeah, they called me. They wrote me a letter.
When did
Yeah, they wrote me a letter. It was last month that they did it, and then I brought a flash drive into the bank, and they gave me this.
All right. So here I'm looking at the error, right? That's reflecting here on my side,
Okay.
and I see that all this is because of the payment. You know that the reason why that is not going through is just because of the payment not being recognized. All right. So this always happens whenever the card is stolen or the card gets lost. All right.
Yeah,
But
that's
then, though you having the card right now, it's supposed to be like that, just reflecting up there because of these unauthorized access there.
yeah, that's what
So
my
we're going to work on it, remove all of that, correct?
okay, yeah,
Yes,
because
so this is a different, that's a different thing.
okay,
See that?
okay.
So that's a different thing here. So I'll just go ahead and connect it through the bank, right?
Yeah,
You just need to
because-
talk to them and tell them to get it authorized.
Yeah, like my
2 minutes. Once we're done, I'm going to set you free after that.
okay, yeah, because like my bank told me that they wouldn't process it if I did it over the phone. Hello?
Yes, one moment.
Yeah, they said that they wouldn't process it if I did it over the phone. This is my only way to do it.
No, that's what I'm telling you. We have got it authorized from here, right? So we don't have to go through all the steps.
Like,
So I'll just connect you through the bank. Everything is done. We have got a dedicated department who's going to take care of that. Just tell them
yeah,
to
they said,
get this thing authorized.
yeah, they wouldn't do it over the phone. They told me this is the only way to do it, like this payment gateway.
All right. So should I go ahead and connect you there to the bank with the banker now?
I mean, like, I'm not sure because my bank told me that this gateway application here is the only way that they're gonna authorize the
Alright.
payment.
Okay. In that case, what we can do is you can also use your checking account the payment if through the offline method.
Okay.
It's like processing it through the bank.
Okay.
You can even do that.
Okay. So so how does that work? So do I just like write a check and then I mail it in to you?
No, we do electronic check. Like for physical, like we have the option for that, but that might take a lot of time,
Okay,
to
yeah, that-
get the payment cleared.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So we do
Okay.
electronic,
Okay.
electronic check. You get an online confirmation, but yes, you will get the payment done or processed through the bank. So you will get a call from your bank in the next 24 hours,
Okay, yeah,
probably.
because I think
That's when they will actually process it.
yeah, because I think something about they told me something about how I have to do this for like e-checks and ACH and all those like wire transfers as well.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not sure if
Mhm.
I'm not sure if you have to. Yeah, this has to be running on your computer to do it to process the payment.
Mm-hmm. So I told you we don't need any online thing, to process a check or something. We just need something, we just need an online confirmation, and that's going to be processed through your bank.
Okay.
All right. So that's the reason we're not going to use any method to process it online.
Okay.
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 So I have your notepad here with in front of you. You can just, if you have your checkbook handy, this is a recorded line. You don't have to read out
Okay.
any numbers on the phone, but you just have to type
Do I
all
just-
the details there.
Do I just type
by
in
yourself.
the routing and account number and you process the payment from there?
Yes. Right. Right. I will then open up a page in front of your computer, and you have to fill the payment form then. Okay. So we'll just put that information here, and then I can help you in getting all these things documented. Still there? Hello, still there? मैं सरप्राइज था कि भाई ये कुछ भी हो पर पेमेंट तो कम से कम वन टाइम हो गया था ना
Hello, Pedro. Terimaki chut marachot. Yeah, marachot. Terimaki chut. Alright, let's
Your feedback is important to us. Please provide your rating for the following questions 1 to 5. 5 being the highest. Overall, how satisfied or dissatisfied are you with our company?
1.
Overall, how would you rate the process for getting your problem resolved?
1.
Do you feel that you got to the right person with the necessary expertise to address your issue on your initial call?
1.
If you needed to contact technical support again and were given the option to speak with the same technician again, would you trust this person to handle another issue for you?
1.
Thank you for taking the survey. Goodbye.
Yes. See if they text it. Hopefully it doesn't delete it and actually runs it. That's it.
So thank you very much for watching. Feel free to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.